central Clark County, west central Madison County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South Charleston, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include London, Brighton, South Vienna, Plattsburgh, and Interstate 70 and State Route 56. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile marker 66 and 75. Here is a special weather statement.